Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. Oh boy, is today's video gonna be fun. It's gonna be stressful and this video is in collaboration with the wonderful Lisa from Authentic Beauty. So if you don't know Lisa, please do go check Lisa's channel out. I will pop a link in the cards up here for you around about now-ish. There you go. And basically we were on one of Lisa's live streams. She does 2 a week, and her Thursday morning one is a get ready with me. And we're in there, and some of we tend to share subscribers, particularly with our live streams. So if you don't know, I do a live stream on a Friday evening at 8 PM UK time called the Friday Night Natter. And Anita, this is all Anita's fault, okay? I am putting it right out there now. So this challenge was put forward by, she's gorgeous, but she's a pain, Miss Anita, and it's the 10-minute makeup challenge. Right then, I was just like, are you having a laugh? And at first we were like, yeah, all right then, trying to do an eye look in 10 minutes. Ooh, might be a bit of a stretch, but okay, we'll roll with this. We'll accept this challenge. Then she decided, no, it wasn't just an eye look. We had to do a full face in 10 minutes. And I'm like, it normally takes me half an hour just to do my base makeup alone. So, thank you so much, Anita. Yeah, I think, possibly, perhaps, we'll see what I think at the end of this. Anyway, so I have literally got everything out in front of me. It is all lined up in order of use. Now, the only concession that basically I told Anita we were doing, whether she wanted to or not, was we're going to be allowed to put our primer on first, because obviously with primers you have to allow them to sink in a wee bit. So before we go any further, I'm going to get my headband on, we're going to put the primer on, and then I'm going to take you through all the products I'm going to use, because obviously a 10-minute makeup challenge, there is no way I can talk whilst doing that. So we're going to do all that at the beginning, then we will get into the 10-minute challenge. I have my laptop at the side of me, and I've got a stopwatch on it, ready and waiting. So when I start, I'm going to hit that button, and then at the end of it, I will stop it, and I will show you the laptop and show you how long it actually took me. Oh God, I have been putting this video off. You wouldn't believe it. Headband on. And the reason I'm sort of doing my primer, you know, now is because I really want to talk to you about this primer. This is my favourite primer that I have tried. I received it from Feel Unique. I can't remember if it was in the Pick and Mix samples or if it was in the beauty kit. I kind of think it was the beauty kit, and it was about a year ago. And it's by Giorgio Armani, and it's the Armani primer, or Prima. There we go. I'm going to show you the little tub that I got. Okay. Now then, I'll show you the product. I says I'll show you the product inside. I have literally eked it out, so I've just about got enough for this video. It is stunning. I absolutely adore this primer. There you go. So it's like a cream, it smells divine, it's not heavily scented or anything like that, but I just love the way it goes on, how it feels on my skin. This is literally how I do it, everybody. So there we go. Make sure it's all over. Now, I absolutely adore the product, and I have looked at how much it costs to replace for a full-size version, and it's £70. So I don't think I'm going to be repurchasing it anytime soon, in all honesty. But if anybody knows of any alternatives to this product at a cheaper price point, please do pop a comment down in the comment section, because I am very open to trying an alternative to this, because I absolutely adore it. But paying £70 for a primer is like, wow. So there we go, the primer is on. Okay, so it gives you a little bit of a luminosity as well as you can sort of see at the minute, but once that's absorbed and then when you've got your foundation and everything on, it doesn't leave my skin dewy or anything like that. So let's go through the products I am going to be using today. So for my foundation, this is my ride or die at the moment. This is my Juvia's Place Magic Foundation. I absolutely love it. It's the one I keep reaching for out of my makeup bag. Juvia's Place is a US brand. You can get the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes on Beauty Bay over here, but you can't get the foundation or the concealer over here, which is gutting. Having said that, Juvia's Place, I highly recommend you sign up to their email newsletters because they very often have 40% off sales or 60% off sales, and sometimes you can get free international shipping with them as well. So yeah, they really are worth keeping your eye on, to be perfectly honest. Yes, you've got the customs charges to pay when it gets over here. They don't include it at checkout, but with the sales, with the free shipping, it actually works out certainly no more expensive than getting it from Beauty Bay, and sometimes a bit cheaper. There we go. So to go with the foundation, I'm also using the Juvia's Place concealer. Again, I just really love this product. My fixing powder today, I'm using my Authent1c. Again, I really like this. And I use it with a puffy pad thing, just because I'm finding that by doing that, it just seems to give a really nice finish versus using a brush. For my under eye area and for lightening, I'm going to be using, whoops, there we go, can't really see it, but it's the KVD Lock-It, try not to lose the top, Lock-It setting powder in translucent. A lot of people, very mixed reviews about this product. I personally really love it, really finely milled, and it just seems to suit my skin type, so I really do like it. Blusher today, I'm using my W7 Very Vegan. I'm not sure of the shade of this. Oh, it's Bare Blossom. There we go. So it's like a sort of brownie, orangey peach tone. It's really nice. Because we're only in a 10-minute challenge, I'm not doing any contouring, so that's why I've gone for sort of that sort of more browny colour, so a bit of a in between a contour and a blusher kind of idea. For the eyes today, I am going to be using my Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette, and the two colours I am going to be using, here we go, here's the colour story. I'm going to be using the purple in the middle because it's me, obviously I'm going to use purple, and then this silver shimmer down here, absolutely beautiful. This tends to pick up, it's like a silver shimmer, but it's got a bluey pinky hue to it. It's absolutely lovely. So that will be for the eyes. Eyeliner today, I am using my Urban Decay 24 7 eyeliner pencil in the shade Electric, so this one here. Mascara today, I'm going with my Ride or Die NYX on the Rise. For lips, I will be using, again, my favourite ever lipstick. It's by NYX, it's the Metallic Lip Cream, and it's in the shade Havana. And then for highlighter today, I'm using my Ciate London in the shade, Celestial, which is, again, to go with sort of the blusher, it's got that peachy base with a golden shift on top. And setting spray, I am using my Morphe setting spray because this I just think is amazing. And there we go. Right, let's have a quick... Oh, we're about there. We are about there. So, are we ready for this? Are we ready to see Kirsty in an absolute mad panic? I'm not. I hope you are. Before we get into it though, if you do enjoy these sorts of videos, sort of doing the challenges, makeup looks, if you love to be in on a live stream, please do make sure you've hit that subscribe button and your notification bell and click it onto all. That way YouTube will tell you every time I upload, which is around about 3 times a week. I also do subscription box unboxings, empty videos, update videos, I do all sorts of crazy stuff. So yeah, please do follow me on this journey. Right. Okay. Deep breaths in, deep breaths out. Before I start the timer, again, this is my lovely subscriber Anita's fault. I am totally blaming her. So I hope she has a right good giggle watching this. Right, guys, are we ready? Oh, 3, 2, 1 and a half, go.
guys. 9 minutes, 25 seconds, 25.
Okay, so sorry about that. My doctor just rung just as I was putting my laptop down there. So here we go. Here's the finished look. I've still got foundation all over the back of my hand. It's gone on my top. The lipstick is a bit patchy, but obviously doing it quickly. So I'm going to release the hair. My table's an absolute bomb site. So here we go. Here we go. I'll lean forward, let you have a closer look like usual. So God knows what these blending skills are going to be like, but here we go. From the front, from the side, and from this side. Oh my goodness. Now, so Miss Anita, how have I scored on this challenge? What do you think to the final look? I definitely managed it within the time, so nah for that one. Just to prove that I can do a 10-minute makeup challenge. I have no idea. I daren't go out in natural light and see what this actually looks like, but hey ho. So I hope you've enjoyed this challenge, everybody. Please don't be thinking of setting me any more timed challenges because it ain't happening. This is your one and only. Oh dear. Thank you for watching, everybody. Like I say, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you're not already, please do subscribe. Like this video as well, guys. Give me a thumbs up. It really does help YouTube with the algorithms to put my channel out there and promote it a bit more for me. What else have I got coming up soon? I've got the second part of my empties videos coming up, 6 months worth of empties. That's coming up in a few days. I've got November's unboxings. The subscription boxes are starting to come in now thick and fast. I've got some haul videos coming up. Yeah, so, and obviously this Friday, on the Friday Night Natter, it's my anniversary special. I currently have a 1-year giveaway video. The giveaway is still live, it's still running. You have 48 hours left to enter that. Again, I'll link the video for that up here. It closes at midnight on Thursday the 12th of November, and then on Friday the 13th, during my Friday Night Natter, my weekly live stream, I will be drawing the winner live for your viewing pleasure. My live streams are basically a virtual get-together. Very open-minded, encouraging, supportive place for you just to come in, bring your favourite beverage, put your feet up, and yeah, have a natter with the girlies and the boys down the pub, but without actually leaving your home. That's the idea of it, guys. So I think that's everything for today. Anita, I am seriously going to kill you, but thank you so much. I don't know whether I've enjoyed it or not, but at least I've accomplished it, I think. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Keep safe and well, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!